Yeah.
How long can you record up?
It's a negative, so your face is blue.
Can you record up to?
5 minutes or 6. Look at me real quick. Look, your face is gonna be blue. Ew! Look.
I can't see.
You're blue.
Oh, damn. Your coat's like light blue. It's cool. See? Wait. Put an arm out. Put an arm out.
Alright, look at your pants. They're brown.
Are you serious? Dude, oh, that's pretty sweet. They're orange. They're like a golden orange color.
The fence is just black. Look at my teeth.
Damn thing. They're called golden yellow. Oh my god. Oh my god! That's creepy.